Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. It really means a lot to me. I turned off ads on this channel so that you can have a better viewing experience. So please make sure you return the favor. If you like it, like, subscribe, comment, share. It means a lot to me. I got asked a question today on LinkedIn, and I think this is something we need to revisit, but it's somebody who's about to finish school and is asking, hey, you know what, the only job I'm able to get right now is a patient recruiter. Is that okay? And of course, the answer is yes. We got to think, this is where the 4-hour video comes in. If you haven't watched it, go to my homepage and watch it. It's the one that pops out when you click on my YouTube channel. But sites need patients. Like the sites are the ones in charge of enrolling patients, recruiting patients for their studies. So it's a critical part of a site. Might be the most important part of a site's operations is patient recruitment. And make sure it's a site that you're going to be working for as far as patient recruitment is concerned. Now, from that, if the site is small enough or even mid-sized, you will graduate to research assistant, coordinator, whatever the pathway is, the career pathway. Usually it's to be a coordinator. And right now at my site, Yuma Clinical Trials, we have someone who's focused on patient recruitment. Her name is Lana, but she's also a coordinator. And we're in between hiring another admin, which is essentially a recruiter's assistant. And so Lana's doubling up as a recruiter and a coordinator, and pretty soon we'll have help of an admin who will be there to pre-screen patients, schedule them, and all those kind of things. So don't get turned off by, this is not my dream job out the bat. You're not getting your dream job out the gate in this industry. And you can argue there is no such thing as a dream job in clinical research, because you're going to change constantly as you evolve, as you grow in this industry. Your skill set hopefully is growing as well. So if you're like me, or you're someone that wants to explore and try new things, you're never gonna find your dream job. I mean, I think I found mine. It's entrepreneur in the space, but even that, it's not constant. That is constantly fluctuating. But many people that have started working for me, Monica Quitiva is another perfect example. Now she owns her own site. But what was it, 6 years ago? 5 years ago. 7 years ago, 2015. Actually, this is almost 9 years ago. The time doesn't matter. About 9 years ago, she started working for me as a patient recruiter. And within 6 months, she became a coordinator, with still emphasis on recruitment, just like Lana does today. And now she's a Latinos in Clinical Research co-founder, Save Our Sites co-founder, Clinical Research Coordinator Academy co-founder, and a site owner. And in less than a decade, she's accomplished all that and started from patient recruitment. So don't underestimate this. This is the things that other people generally don't want to do, because patient recruitment is hard. It's humbling to do patient recruitment. You've got to put yourself out there. Every conversation you have with a potential patient is an education of what a research is. So you've got to really educate yourself in the process, what research is, what the studies you have are. Then you start evolving into what qualifies a patient. You'll start learning what they need to have in order to get in. And then you start working hand in hand with the coordinators on scheduling them. And retention is another thing that people are not discussing, which is keeping the patient in the study, not just getting them in, but keeping them in, which usually recruiters are in charge of that as well. So it's a lot more than you think. I would say go for it. I would say for anybody out there who's looking to get started in clinical research, patient recruitment is the way to go. Even if you don't see those jobs being posted, just find small sites in your area and go to them. Go to 10 small sites in your area and tell them you're a patient recruiter and you would like to work for them for either whatever they want to pay and put you on the pathway to maybe becoming a coordinator one day, or pay you whatever you can afford. If it's commission based, I mean, that's on you. But the important part is to get there, get started, get that on your resume, and then leverage that into other positions if necessary, either with that company or another. So good luck out there, Guru Nation. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.